Chapter 13: Disappearing Woods. Increasing human population leads to pressure on land resources for human needs. This resulted in large-scale deforestation across the world. 1. Let us find out more about the forests that are no more. 1. The dense rainforests of the Amazon basin are being cleared every year to make way for mining, agriculture, and timber harvesting activities. These lungs of the planet are being denuded at the alarming rate of more than 2 lakh acres every day. 2. Green islands of the Philippines are devastated. 90 years ago, the region had an almost 100% rainforest cover. By 1988, this cover had dwindled to just 1/4 at an astounding rate of about 54,700 hectares every year. This happened as logging contracts were given out thoughtlessly and rainforests were converted to pineapple plantations. Number 3. India has done well in its afforestation program, and today about 22% of country's area is covered with forest. However, the northeast region has recorded a continuous decline in forest cover. Since 2009, the region has seen a loss of about 3,199 square kilometers of forest area. This region, incidentally, accounts for nearly 25% of India's forest cover. Number 4. Western Africa has lost 90% of its forest cover in the last 50 years. The main reason for this destruction has been logging for timber, use of firewood as domestic fuel, animal rearing, and clearing land for cultivation of food crops. Green Master. Number 2. Attempt this interesting forest quiz and discover more about forests in the world. 1. Which country in the world has the highest forest cover in terms of its geographical area percentage? Answer: Russia. 2. Which country has the highest deforestation rate in the world? Answer: Nigeria. 3. Which is the oldest forest in the world? Answer: Daintree Rainforest, Australia. 4. Which state in India has the highest forest cover in relation to its geographical area? Answer: Mizoram. 5. Which state in India has the lowest forest cover in relation to its geographical area? Answer: Haryana. Let me answer. State the factors responsible for deforestation. Info bit. Animals are the key to afforestation of denuded forest. A forest can recover to mature tree level in 65 years. Teacher's note. Explain to the students about the afforestation and discuss the steps to plant trees.